Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a very popular business model, dropshipping. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model in which an online store sells products without having to maintain an inventory. Instead, the seller works with a supplier or distributor who stores the inventory and ships the products directly to the customer on behalf of the seller. Why is dropshipping a good option for an online business? Mainly because it reduces the costs and risks of an online business, as there is no need to invest in inventory and you can start with lower capital. It also allows you to offer a wide range of products without worrying about storage or shipping. If you want to start a dropshipping business, there are many online platforms that allow you to easily create your own store. Some of the best options include Shopify. It is a popular platform that is easy to use and has a wide range of features for creating online stores. It also offers a lot of integrations and apps to enhance your store. WooCommerce. It is a WordPress plugin that allows you to turn your website into an online store. It is easy to use and offers a wide range of functions and plugins. BigCommerce. It is a complete e-commerce platform that allows you to create a full-featured online store. It offers a lot of marketing and conversion optimization tools. Magento. It is an enterprise-level e-commerce platform that offers many customization options and a wide range of advanced features. And there you have it. These are some of the best options for creating your own dropshipping store. I hope this information has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching the video and see you next time.